Inspired by this scene of Breakfast at Tiffany's, I decided to arrange Moon River for the ukulele. If you like it, play along. Here are the chords. First you've got an F, then a D minor, then a B flat. You might want to twist your fingers slightly on this one, just to get a cleaner sound. Then a G minor. Then an F7, the little finger's optional. Then a B flat in an alternative way, you do a full bar. So you bar the whole of the first fret like this, and then put down your middle finger and your ring finger. And that means you can take out your middle finger when it comes to B flat minor. And then there's a D minor 7, which is just like a D minor but with a little finger. And then a G7. Finally, really easily, a C7. Once you're okay with all of those chords and you've practiced any difficult transitions like D minor to B flat, let's play through by strumming gently with our thumb. It'll keep it soft and give you an idea of the timing.
River, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbow's end, waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me.
Actually, no, let's stick with this ukulele and look at how to pick on a high G. 1, 2, thumb, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now to put the picking and the chords into practice and play through your Moon River on a high G.
Moon River, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbow's end, waiting round the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me.
If you've got a ukulele tuned to low G, then let's have a try with that one. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Right, so now it's time to take this picking and the chords and play through Moon River on a low G.
Moon River, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. To drifters off to see the world, there's such a lot of world to see.